Charming. Prince Charming, it's really, really windy out there. Oh, tell me about it. Oh, well, I'm just gonna go take a nap. I am really, really tired. Some dinner's in the table if you want, and at any time. Okay, thank you. Yep. I'm really, really tired. Just gotta, chat. Grab a snack. Ooh, fish, my favorite. I ate it all. That was a long sleep. That was a long sleep. Hi, baby. Mama, use your pacifier. I'm just gonna go. Patio sure is nice. It's a place where I can hang out. I'm just gonna ask for some lemonade. Prince Charming! Yes? Lemonade! Okay. Here. Your lemonade. Thank you. Do you want fish? No. No? I'm fine. Okay. Hi, sis. Hi. I'm so glad to see you. Me too. I love your place. Really? Thanks. And these are my girls. Oh my gosh, they look exactly like you. I know. Sit down, sit down. Okay, thanks. I love your outfit though. Yeah, thanks. So, what should we do? I don't know. I just came here to visit you. Really? Thanks. Have you seen Mom? Yeah, I've seen Mom in some pictures. Really? Okay. Well, I'm just gonna go get some snacks for us, okay? Okay. I brought fish, your faves. Oops. Don't worry. I cleaned the floor today. Okay, here. Eat some. It's so good. I'll have it on my lap. Okay. So, you want to go down the elevator and go, like, hang out to the mall or something? No, I'm fine here, but I would like to go downstairs. Okay. Come on. Okay, I'll just leave my fish here. Hi, David. Meet my sister. Hi, nice to meet you. My name is Bonnie. Nice to meet you. Well, can I play the piano? Sure. Sure, I don't mind at all. Do you mind, David? No, not at all. Okay, thanks. Say you wanna stay, you wanna have it all. You started messing with my head until I hit a wall. Maybe I should've known. Maybe I should've known. Walk through a top out the door. Hey! I don't know the rest of the song. Okay, so I have to go because I'm late for dinner. I'm going to Benihana. So, see ya. Toodles. Thanks for watching my channel. See you in another video.